Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. As always, big thank you to all my subscribers. This week I'm having a go at laser engraving over some pre-painted wood. So for this video I've got one square painted with silver spray paint, one with gold acrylic and one with silver acrylic, and I'm going to have a go see if I can engrave through the paint. That looks alright. So next I'll do the silver acrylic and then the silver spray paint. As you can see, they've all got the same image. They were all done at a speed of 35 and a power setting of 75%. I think the gold ones turned out the best, followed by the silver spray paint and then the silver acrylic. Now for the two silver ones, I think I'd probably have to go over it twice, or when I do them on silver, turn the power up. But at least now I know I can engrave over painted surfaces. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.